I'm Seven Heaven today. I'm over the moon for speaking about this topic. This is an amazing topic from my best teacher around the world, Mr. Musafir. He is one of the last speaker in Aceh who can speak the language of 5 continents, language of hope, right? Esperanza. A language of people who wants to unite the world, right? Unite the world with one language so that people can speak with easy lingua franca. So let's get on with the topic. The topic today is about how to maintain cleanliness and mainly cleanliness, how to keep or preserve cleanliness. Start from yourself. Take care of your daily routine based on how do you keep your bedroom clean, and how to keep your clothes clean, and how do you keep your clothes in your bedroom and your house. And start from when you wake up, you need to keep your bed tidy, right?
Yeah.
Start from small things. Before we go to make a big difference in the world. And then we need to make a good schedule of plans for achievements that we need to do in our daily life. And then if we are living alone, maybe we are becoming lazy to maintain cleanliness. But if we live with someone else, with parents, with our boss, maybe we are much more encouraged to clean our house or room, because there's someone else who wants to remind us to do that. But if you are on your own, living alone in your house, whether it's your own house or your rental house, your tenant, you need to take care of your cleanliness based on your experience. It depends on how much you care about your health, and how much you care about your body health, and also how much you care about the life that you are running right now. You are living. Are you going to live a dirty life, or going to live a healthy life? Start from cleanliness. In Islam, people say cleanliness is part of belief, right?
Yeah.
Part of belief. So we need to think carefully of this. Many people from other countries who are not Muslim, they are very good at maintaining cleanliness. But we are Muslim, we are negligent or ignorant of doing this. Cleanliness start from, we should become more aware of this, because we learn from hadith, right?
Yeah.
From Quran. But in fact, what we see nowadays, Muslims are getting away from these rules, these ground rules or thumbs, this really basic rule in our life. Start from small things, and then we can talk about big things to make a difference in this world. I think in conclusion, we need to become aware of this, and we need to contemplate how much do we care about the health that we are going to lead in our life in the future. If we are going to keep living like this, we're not going to become healthy or become successful, because we start from small things. That's all for today.
Right, any question? Alright,
Any idea?
I got a question for you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. As I know, you are tourist guide, right? So, if one day you have a guy from Europe or from Asia or West Asia, foreigner exactly asking you, are you Muslim? So why do Muslim people throw the garbage everywhere? So why don't keep their garbage to the basket? So what do you think about that?
If someone asks me like that,
Yeah, because this is my experience when I got gas at a time from Japan, 2009 at the time, asking me about that. So I almost get stuck when I explain about that. Please explain that. Tell me about that. How do we answer that question?
I think it's a very tricky question to answer if you are not.
Because we are Muslim, right? Why we are dirty life, right?
Yeah.
Throw garbage everywhere. Throw garbage it may deliver everywhere. Not a garbage, not for the basket.
Yeah.
Give you reason.
I think if I'm faced with that kind of question, I need to pause for a while and think about the answer. Maybe the best answer to the question is that it is just a few people doing like that. This is just unknown people, or in Indonesia, oknum. Yeah, unknown people or people who are not aware of their religion.
Yeah.
This is you cannot generalize the teaching of Islam to teach this kind of things that Muslims do. But if you look at other countries, there are some people doing crimes, but can we judge them by their religion? No, maybe because only a few people break the law because they never learn, or they have no idea, or they lack of awareness, and they lack of education as well. This happens everywhere. Based on the experience, people see, when they see things, they tend to judge and generalize as they got the mainstream people in Indonesia or Aceh. The majority are Muslim, but why do Muslims throw garbage? This is not a Muslim behavior, but this is only done by a few people. That's all.
But it's just several people, right? Unknown people, a few people, not all Muslims like that, right? Yeah, but because all Muslims have learned about Quran Hadith, right? So Muslim keep our cleanliness every single day, right? All right, thank you for your answer, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. That is very pretty clear for me now. If I got a girl from Europe or United States or United Kingdom asking me about that, I'm gonna have to ask him about the same your question just now. Thank you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. All right, any question? No, I'm going to pick somebody else.